There is a setting that YouTube is hiding from us, and it's not only YouTube. Other YouTubers are also hiding this setting because they don't always talk about it. And this setting is always on by default. It's always on by default. In this video, I'll be telling you the settings and why YouTube is hiding it from us, and what you need to do, why you need this setting so that you can start having views and subscribers. Do well to subscribe to my video, like, and also share with others. Let's get started. If you guys don't want to watch, do well to subscribe to the channel, like, and also share with. There's a particular setting on our YouTube app that is always on by default, and YouTube is hiding this setting from us. And most YouTubers they don't only talk about this setting. In this video, I'll be telling you this setting and why you need to off this setting very fast. If that's what you like to watch, do well to subscribe to the channel, like, and also press the notification bell. This is just about hiding our subscribers, making our subscriber private. YouTube don't want people to see who and who we are subscribed to. And I'm telling you, if people start seeing or knowing where you subscribe to, they might help to improve your views. You know, there are some people that are emotional. If they say that you are subscribed to them, they might also subscribe to you back. It helps to increase our visibility. People make our videos to be more visible. If people see that on this is a so person is on subscribe under this person, you can see people can because of that also watch your own video and subscribe to your channel. So you need to see why you also need to off this setting very fast. Another thing is that people that are also viewing those maybe you are subscribed to top YouTube might also want to watch your video and subscribe to you also. It helps to bring confidence that if this person is subscribed to this person, that means this person might be good or better and they want to subscribe to your channel also. These settings, if it's off and people can start see people they are subscribed to, and probably you are subscribed to some top YouTubers or some YouTubers that are doing well, and people see that you are subscribed to them, they might want because of that subscribe and also watch your videos. So this will make people to know that your videos are available and they'll start watching it. So if they start seeing that, apart from that, people that are watching their videos, YouTube will also post your videos to them, and they might also be encouraged or be encouraged to watch your videos also. So you need to off these settings. I'm telling you, there's nothing to keep private there. There's nothing private in YouTube. So why are you keeping the setting private? Why those people? Why they don't know people that are subscribed to, whether you are subscribed to. So I would like you to off this setting, and also that the people can know you are subscribed to, and see how to help your channel to grow and start seeing as have more possibilities. I will show you how you can off that setting in a short while. I will show you the setting and how you can off it, and the purpose of you offing it on my screen recorder. Now let me show you the setting that YouTube is hiding. Now it's actually on our app, on our YouTube app. You say view channel our home. Just click on it. Look at this pencil. This pencil that's the channel. Just click on that pencil that you see. Now see keep all my subscription private. Why do you need to keep them private? Let people know let them know that you are subscribed to them. This will help your credibility. People know that you are subscribed to them. They might appreciate make them to be able to subscribe to you back. So you need to off it. They don't want it to be private. Let people know. Even maybe other people see that you are subscribed to a particular channel, maybe the channel is doing well, they might want to subscribe to you. So there's nothing on YouTube that is private. I said maybe the money you are earning. People even showing people the money they are earning. So why do you need to keep anything private? Let people see what you are subscribed to. And apart from that, people will see who you are subscribed to. This also helped the algorithm to know who and who to push your videos to. As they are pushing it to the people that you are subscribed to, as they are pushing their video, they also push your video also. So people are viewing their video, they also want to view your video also. That's the main reason why you need to off it. To keep private, just off it. Let people see. They might even like, oh, you're subscribed to. Maybe now, let's see. Let me show you people that I've subscribed to. Look at them here. Look at them. Let's see all. It's a Chiamaka Okoli. Look at the vibe is so nice. These are the people that are also on my niche. You can see them that I subscribe to. So if people see that I'm subscribed to these people on my niche, they might want to subscribe to my channel too. The same way to any niche you are. If people see that you are subscribed, at least some people that are credible in that in your niche. You might even them to make you may even get them to subscribe to you. You might make them to be able to subscribe to you. So there's nothing for you to keep private. So you can see them there are many, and as people is promoting these people, they also promote your video to them. And people are viewing their video, they also view your video. Then you make sure you have to keep this off it. So I'm sure I've shown you why you need to off it now. I'm very sure now if you have not yet off it, go back now and go and off it. Off it now and off it, and let's see. You need to say, let's say off it and see what will happen. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel and let me see my next video. Bye. Now let me show you the setting that YouTube is hiding. Now YouTube is actually on our app, on our YouTube app. We say view channel on our home. Just click on it. Look at this pencil. This pencil, that's my channel. Just click on that pencil that you see. Now, see that keep all my subscription private. Why do you need to keep them private? Let people know let them know that you are subscribed to them. This will help your credibility. People believe that you are subscribed to them. They might push them, make them to be able to subscribe to you back. So you need to off it. They don't want it to be private. Let people know. Even maybe other people see that you are subscribed to a particular channel, maybe the channel is doing well, they might want to subscribe to you. So there's nothing on YouTube that is private. I said maybe the money you are earning. People even showing people the money they are earning. So why do you need to keep anything private? Let people see what you are subscribed to. And apart from that, people will see who you are subscribed to. This also helped the algorithm to know who and who to push your videos to. As they are pushing it to the people that you are subscribed to, they are pushing their video, they also push your video also. So people are viewing their video, they also want to view your video also. That's the main reason why you need them off it. Nothing to keep private, just off it. Let people see. They might even like, oh, you're subscribed to. Maybe now, let's see. Let me show you people that I've subscribed to. Look at them. Let's see all. This is a Chiamaka Okoli. Look at them. Very so nice. These are the people that are also on my niche. You can see them I subscribe to. So if people see that I'm subscribed to these people on my niche, they might want to subscribe to my channel too. The same way to any niche you are. If people see that you are subscribed, at least some people, there are people that are credible in your niche. You might even get them to subscribe to you. You might make them to be able to subscribe to you. So there's nothing for you to keep private. So you can see them there are many, and as people is promoting these people, they also promote your video to them. And people are viewing their video, they also view your video. Then you make sure you have to keep this off it. You can now see why you need to off these settings. If you have watched my video to the end and you have not yet subscribed, I don't know what you are waiting for. Do well to subscribe, share this video, and also like. Please make sure you like this video. The more you like, the more YouTube will start sharing this video. Please do well to like and see you in my next video. Bye.